This is Don taxiing his PC-9 first time. What's today? Saturday the
18th or 19th.
It's either 18th or 19th on a Saturday, 2011. Taxi's real good.
What do you think I should?
Well, have you balanced? We balanced it. Yep.
We balanced it already.
Got plenty of fuel. Let's clear it out. I was hoping everybody could be here for the first flight. You know what I mean? You know how to trim it, don't you?
I want to fly with the sun to my back.
Yeah, I'm gonna video kind of like this. Well, let me get the sun away from it. If you get scared, just hand it to me. You know what I mean? I don't think you'll be. No problem. Oh yeah, that was nice. Is it doing good?
Yeah.
That's real nice. Is that you or is it the motor?
Motor.
You want me to take it?
I'll bring it around for another landing.
Yeah. Just pull your throttle down some and I hope I'm getting it. I'm not used to this recorder. There, you got it perfect. Just cut your throttle all the way and glide it in. Oh yeah, perfect.
I'll float a long way.
You got it.
Didn't have enough up elevator.
Not enough up?
Yeah. There we go.
I hope I got it.